I gave you my heart.
Hey cuties, it's your girl Katie1, another video. Today I'm recreating Beyonce's Bantu knot braids from Black is King. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that little bell to be notified when I post a video, and comment down below which part of the video you like, because I would really want to know. And let's get started. First things first, you're going to part your hair. It should be looking like this. Now you're going to put the front part of your hair up in a ponytail. Now I'm going to take the other half of the hair and part it too, because I have my hair in two ponytails. So you're going to part that side too. And then you're going to put that up with the rest of the hair in the front. Now here you are detangling hair with a brush. Now here we are parting in a small row. Now we're going to put the rest up in a ponytail so we keep that out of our way. And now here we are going to take the comb and we'll split the hair in like a small rectangle. Now you're going to take a piece of small blonde and black hair. You can use whatever color hair you want. For me, since I'm recreating Beyonce, I'm going to have to use black and blonde hair for my style. Here's what you're going to need to do. You're going to pre-prep the hair, so you're going to have to take a lot of small pieces out. You're going to need 3 pieces of hair on each braid, so depends on whichever length you guys want. But if you want to be a little bit longer, you're going to use at least 5 pieces. Now here we are, cuties, braiding the hair to the scalp. And once you get halfway of the hair that you're braiding, you're going to take another piece of hair and then you're going to braid into the braid. And you're going to do that 3 times. And once you finish with that, you're going to do that to the rest of the row on your head. Quick warning, cuties, this is gonna hurt, but it's well worth it at the end to see the results of how beautiful this hair looks. Now here we are feeding the hair to the braid, and you're gonna keep like braiding that till you get halfway through, and then you gotta add the other hair, and then you're finished with that braid, and you're gonna keep going on and on with the rest of the row. Okay cuties, comment down below if you watched Black is King. I know I have, and it was very inspirational. It was breathtaking and I really loved it. But I want to know if you guys watched it. If you haven't watched it, I'm sorry that you haven't, but you should definitely go check it out. Okay cuties, this is our last braid on this row. So once we finish that, we can get started on the next row. Now here we are parting the next row. Okay, cuties, here we are again, parting the hair in a small rectangle, and we're gonna start braiding again. And you're gonna keep repeating this pattern till you get all the way up to the rest of the hair. Don't forget to check out my Bantu knot hair tutorial, which I'm going to do in the front part of my hair. But go check it out. I'm going to link it down in the description box below. Here's a close-up of how to feed the hair into the braid. And here what it should look like of how your hair should be halfway braided. Okay, kids, here we are on the last part of the hair. Now you're gonna take the front part of your hair and you're gonna part it a quarter of the hair. And now you're gonna put the rest up in a ponytail. And now you're gonna comb the hair out to make sure there's no tangles, no knots at the end of your hair. And now you're gonna take some hair and gonna part that, take a little triangle. Okay, cuties, now you're gonna take some blonde and black hair and braid to your natural hair. You're gonna need just only one piece of hair, not 3 or 4 pieces like I said before. You're just gonna do one piece because this part is gonna be all wrapped up in a bunch. Now you can take this section and just gonna keep parting and braiding till you're finished with that little part, and then you're gonna wrap that up into like a little Bantu knot. And now here's what it should look like. And now here's a little quick tutorial how you do it. You're going to twist the hair and you're going to keep twisting, and then you're going to wrap it and twist at the same time. You're going to keep wrapping and twisting, wrapping and twisting, wrapping and twisting until you have no hair left, and boom, you're finished with your hairstyle. That's it for this hair tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below of which part of the video you liked, and don't forget to hit my notification bell to be notified whenever I post a video, and join the cutie squad, why not? And don't look like a little Beyonce. I'll see you guys in the next vid. Bye, cuties.